Hi there, DIY enthusiasts. Do you dream of building your own home, but feel overwhelmed by the cost and complexity? Well, today I'm going to show you a detailed step-by-step guide on how to build a shipping container house. Not only is this method cost-effective, but it also gives you the freedom to design a unique and sustainable living space. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right container. Shipping containers come in various sizes, but the most common ones are 20 feet and you can find used containers for a lower price, but make sure to inspect them for rust and structural damage. Once you have your container, it's time to prep the site. Choose a flat, well-drained area and lay a solid foundation. Concrete piers or a slab foundation are popular options. This step is crucial for ensuring your house is level and stable. Now let's move on to cutting openings for doors and windows. Use a plasma cutter or an angle grinder for this task. Make sure to wear protective gear and take your time. Once the openings are cut, reinforce the edges with steel tubing to maintain the container's structural integrity. Next, it's insulation time. Shipping containers are made of steel, which means they can get extremely hot in the summer and cold in the winter. Spray foam insulation is a great option because it provides excellent thermal resistance and also helps to seal any gaps. After insulating, it's time to frame the interior walls. Use metal studs to create partition walls and to support your drywall. This is also the stage where you'll want to run your electrical wiring and plumbing. If you're not experienced with these, it's best to hire a professional to ensure everything is up to code. Now, let's focus on flooring. You can install plywood over the container's steel floor, followed by your choice of flooring material such as laminate, tile, or hardwood. This will give your home a more traditional and comfortable feel. Once the flooring is done, you can move on to installing drywall on the walls and ceiling. This will give your container home a clean, finished look. Don't forget to tape and mud the seams for a smooth surface. Now for the fun part, painting and decorating. Choose light colors to make the space feel larger and more open. Add your personal touch with furniture, fixtures, and decor. Finally, take care of the exterior. You can paint the outside of the container to protect it from the elements and improve its appearance. Adding a roof or awning will help with insulation and prevent water from pooling on top. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building your very own shipping container house. It's a big project, but with careful planning and hard work, you can create a unique and sustainable home. Thanks for watching and happy building.